let's talk a little bit about GT4 racing, shall we? It's where we've got production vehicles like Ford Mustang, Mazda MX-5 that are really close to their road-going counterparts, piloted by privateers in competitions around the world. Well, Toyota might just be throwing its turbocharger into the ring with the GR Supra GT4 concept here in Geneva. Now, GR stands for Gazoo Racing. That's Toyota's motorsports division, and we've got a few things on this vehicle that make it track ready. Most notably, better wheels and tires, a giant wing in the back, and a front splitter. Oh, and those last two, those are both made from a composite that is made out of hemp and flax. I mean, who says that your race car can't also be environmentally friendly? Under the hood is the same 3-liter turbocharged straight-six engine, but the ECU has been upgraded. Now, Toyota hasn't given us any power numbers, but I'd expect with that upgraded ECU for this guy to put out more than the stock 335 horsepower. The basic suspension components carry over, but we've got upgraded springs, shocks, and sway bars, so it should be pretty darn sticky in the corners, if you know what I mean. Toyota has not announced pricing for this guy, but other GT4 cars, those run about $200,000. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but it is actually a great price for what is essentially a turnkey race car.